Oh my god. Everyone, it's been another minute. I hadn't posted, I don't know when, insert date here since then. But today, this week actually, really important. Catch me on season 13 American Ninja Warrior. So right now, I'm in Seattle, Washington. It is March 30th. Just got off my flight, checked in, did all the fun jazz stuff, you know, the showbiz stuff. But let me show you guys my setup. 2 DJI goggles, the batteries, lipos. Gotta get those in stack. Just a bunch of stuff in my room. People logo. Yeah, so flight, food, lipo battery, yeah. So basically that's it. I'm excited for today. A little bit nervous, you know how it goes. I'm running 19th, so we'll see how that works out. Hopefully I don't do too bad, but yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, go in with confidence and yeah, and just do what I do, you know. So stay tuned and see what happens. We're just gonna mess around right now with the Warrior Factory people that came up here. Up here is Stuart, Kyle, Josh, and Maria, and yeah, we're just gonna have fun, have a blast. Your people in the room. Stay tuned to see how I do. Hopefully I can get clips of my actual run and some sick drone clips. I'm gonna show more of my FPV stuff. Hopefully it's interesting, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Peace. So whatever happens next, I don't know. Catch you there. A little bit. Alright guys, it is day 2 out here in Tacoma, and we got some food. I just skipped all that part. This is the boring stuff you guys don't really care about, and I just want to update on what's going on right now. So I shoot B-roll in what time this is? 2:37. I shoot B-roll in about an hour. Interview, B-roll, that type of stuff. So you guys I might bring the camera, see what goes on. And here's my setup. Let me go through it one more time. I don't remember if I did, so I'm gonna cut it if I already did. If not, let's listen, okay? So we're gonna get the 5-inch quad right here. Get my 5-inch. We'll see if I get to fly that one. This one's for sure getting flown. It's the 2.5-inch Beta 95 build. Some custom parts added on there. Let's see, yeah. Damn, this Sony autofocus is mad nice. Oh, too close to autofocus. Okay, boom, ready. Autofocus. Me. Drone. Pretty good autofocus. Here's my Tyrannus QX7 right here with crossfire. A Green Hornet, Bumblebee, lipo batteries. Lots and lots of lipo batteries. Focus. There we go. 2 DJI goggles, not 1 but 2. You know. So I'm just charging up some batteries right now. A little bit downtime. Here's the nice view out there. Also right now, to add, I'm doing some tuning on my quad. There's some jello when I film with my naked GoPro. Sitting right there. And yeah, so show a nice clip of me working on this drone for a little bit. So. Yeah, it's comment below how your day's going. I had to stop by the hobby store, get a couple more batteries and stuff like that. But otherwise, you know, it's a nice chillax day. Ate some Mexican-Cuban food. It's good. And yeah, so catch you guys at B-roll sesh.
So yeah, I'm waiting here for my interview. I just heard Rachel scream in the background, which was pretty funny. I also got Kevin's wingnut puzzle, which is cool because I'm like the 8th person to do it. And I've been doing it for like half an hour. Yeah.
How you feeling?
Good. A little nervous. I tend to get really nervous before like NNLs. So like, you know, this is like just another competition, honestly. That's how I gotta like think about it. Like a lot of the people I normally compete with are here, like Luke Dillon, like Rachel, and like Addie. So like
He's goated. He's goated. Check out his Instagram. Insert pop tag.
yeah, at Matt_Bradley_ninja. Yeah, and then go check out Send.City too.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's for you 200 viewers. No. Yeah, so I'm waiting right now, and Matt's here just chilling. Interview. Oh shit, it's my turn.
I heard that. You go play.
Who's my next victim? Oh, good? Yep.
Circle around. No leg is yet. Keep circling. Circle one more time. Let him land on the side of you. Scream that. But you know, it's cool. Figure it out. We got like
I'll take it. Yeah, so that's what I'm seeing. So I'm like blindsided on my sides.
okay. This is crazy.
Yeah. I don't know if you've seen my other videos.
More. I'm about to go look on your. You got like a YouTube channel?
Yeah, YouTube and Instagram. I mostly post on my done with the B-roll shots. That was sick. Oh, I can take this off now. That was sick. Something. Oh my god, I feel like a celebrity. Let me sign some name tags. I don't know. It was just a great experience. I had a lot of fun. I flew the drone. I did not get it on my GoPro, but I did get it on DVR. So I'm gonna insert that right now so you can check that out. Anyways, tomorrow's big comp day, so I gotta get some sleep and rest, and we'll see how I do. Maybe good, maybe bad. So let's see. Stay tuned. All right. Good night. Oh yeah, one last thing before I go to bed. I gotta eat dinner. Peep the nice dinner. And yes, and I'm packing my bag. I think I'm gonna bring the duffel, extra shirts just in case. But technically, I don't need it, But the gear, the 2 DJI goggles, a bunch of batteries, drone, radio. Can't forget that. But I gotta pack it all up. Leave tomorrow morning, so I might include that. Who knows? I'm charging some batteries right now. Then peace out. Catch you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Today is April 1st, so I fell on the first obstacle. Good morning, everyone. Today is April 1st, so I fell on the first obstacle. Just kidding. And April Fools. So today is currently 6:52, and I'm about to get some breakfast. Got to eat something light. Got my shirt on. Got my shorts underneath and the socks. So I'm ready to go. We're heading out at 8 a.m. I think I said that yesterday. Not 100% sure. And yeah, we're gonna go get breakfast. And it's gonna be a fun day. Just gonna have fun. Some thoughts right now, just so I can see this down the line and I can look back to it. Is what 20-year-old Quinn's feeling in this moment right now. So it's like, a little bit nervous. It's like the old cross country races, and everyone lines up. Everyone's jumping up, slapping their knees. You get those butterflies. You gotta go to the bathroom. You know that feeling if you ran cross country. And I don't know. Today I'm feeling a lot better. I'm not too nervous. Just gonna go out and have fun. Show them what I got, cause I got some skills. Anyways, sorry you had to see it. How you feeling this morning?
Good.
Good?
A little nervous.
A little nervous?
Hard to eat.
I convinced myself to be more relaxed.
Yeah, I've been working on it. Like, I need to eat.
Yeah. 100%. Here's the meal today. Breakfast. How you feeling today?
Feel great. I'm ready.
Great.
Excited. Let's do this.
Let's go. And Josh is sleeping, of course. Of course.
Josh will wake up at like 7:45.
Get it back, Josh. I'll clip it. Quinn win.
My trainer, she's not really big on this. You haven't seen much of her phone. She has like too much of her
It's so stupid.
Got nice up.
Alright guys, so I had a nice, long, fun day. Started out in the morning filming drones, of course. I got warmed up a little bit. Did a lot of sideline. No, honestly, I had a lot of fun out there with friends. I made some new friends out there and just had a blast. Then once I was on the course, I made sure to take in every moment and absorb it, you know, and just have it, acknowledge my friends, acknowledge people that are supporting me, and acknowledge every touch of obstacle I get, you know. So stay tuned for, I don't know when this video is gonna be and stuff like that, but you can always check out my episode, see how I do. If I don't, I'll send another update on it, I guess. It's 26, yeah. So I got to the pretzels. Yeah, I got to the pretzels. I slipped off. I don't know, it just happened too fast, and I kind of did like a flyaway, and I hit the water. And it was kind of fun, you know. Went out with a bang, did a flip. And yeah, I got a bunch of waters that I do not know what to do with, and yeah, just like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how I did. Tell me your reactions. Tell me what do you think of this vlog. What do you ate for breakfast? You know, what do you ate for dinner? Right now I'm really tired. I actually ate like a brisket burger. So yeah, that's why you see I'm ready to pass out, but I gotta pack. So anyways, like, comment, subscribe again. See you guys in the next video.